I like horror films because it puts you on edge and you don't know what's going to happen.
I like the build-up of suspense and tension. It's quite energetic.
So I think that what I like about horror films is there's a real kind of skill in building up the tension, and I think that for a horror film to work it's got to be really well made. And then the kind of anti-climax is how it kind of builds up to a point and then boom, there's your scary moment.
I was scared in the fact that she was going up the stairs because I knew that something was going to jump out and it put me on edge.
There were definite bits of tension right at the beginning which I thought built up, and I thought that last shot was quite good as well, just for the judgment is due. I thought those two were quite sort of, that shot was, and the other one was kind of like building suspense, but I can't say I was really scared. Were I at home on my own, I might have been.
Yeah, the female character. I would have been very scared in her position.
I related to Tope because I have been in the house alone before.
I related to Tope's character in there, that sort of shock factor when you find something not quite right. So yeah, definitely relate to that character. Didn't quite relate to the guy sitting down on the sofa, although a feeling like of a seizure was pretty evident. There was a problem there, and I suppose we've all sort of maybe felt that at some point in our lives when something's not quite right as well. Maybe late in the night, when there's maybe an intruder in or something like that. It was pretty shocking. It certainly gripped. It gripped me, to be honest. That trailer definitely.